Today we are going to talk about how to describe the what part that comes after what you do. This is the object that comes after the verb. So let's take a look at a few examples. Vamos a ver unos ejemplos del que pasa después del verbo. So, for example, my subject, who I'm talking about my mom. What does my mom do? She bakes something. What does she bake? So I can say, my mom bakes what? The what part is our object. We're going to think about what we could use to fill that up. So I could say, my mom bakes gingerbread men. I could say, my mom bakes bread. That part tells us more. Instead of just saying, my mom bakes, now I know what she bakes. Let's try another one. I could say, I give. That's a sentence. But what if I want to know what? I give what? Well, I could say, I give a gift. That's something people might give. Or I could say, I give a hug. That's something else people can give. That's the what part. What about this one? We can say, we decorate. That's a sentence. I told you who, we. I told you what we do, we decorate. But what do we decorate? Well, we decorate our Christmas tree. Or we decorate the fireplace or the mantle, that part above the fireplace. Those are the parts that tell us what we decorate. Let's try another one here. This time I could say, my dad visits. Well, I told you who, my dad. I told you what he does, he visits. But let's figure out the what part. My dad visits, it's actually who this time? Grandma. Or I could say, my dad visits Grandpa. When you tell a little bit more after your subject and your verb, that is adding more to your sentence and makes it more interesting. Cuando puedes agregar algo después de sujeto y verbo, se hace más interesante tu oración.